Hey there, I'm Kyle with Maple Systems, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of our advanced HMIs, the cMT2078X. Okay, let's unbox the unit. And the first thing you'll see is the warranty and the installation guide. Next, you'll see the cMT2078X wrapped in anti-static, so let's remove that. Then there are also some brackets and screws, as well as a USB stick clamp and a zip tie. The HMI also comes with a detachable power connector. You can insert your wires for 24 volts and then attach it and then turn on your power supply. So on the HMI, there are two Ethernet ports, LAN 1 and LAN 2, for uploading and downloading a project, as well as going online. It's also used for various Ethernet protocols. Next to that is a USB port that is also used for uploading and downloading your project, as well also used for extended memory. You can save backup files to that. And then next to that are two serial ports. They are DE9 serial ports. They're used for RS-232 and RS-4852 or 4-wire. It's also used for various serial protocols. Then lastly, next to that is the 24-volt DC power supply. Okay, now I want to power on the HMI, so I'm going to insert the power connector. And I'm going to turn on the power supply. Okay, here is a demo project on the cMT2078X, and you can see I have VNC viewer open, and in the bottom left corner is the actual HMI. So I'm going to walk you through some of the features in the demo project, as well as go through some of the HMI system settings. So first, let's go to the switches and lamps. And you can see here are some set bits and some toggles, bit lamps, word lamps. So I'll just turn some bits on and off. Toggle down here in the bottom right corner as well. And those are some of the switches and lamps. Let's go to the home page. Go ahead to trend display. And here is a simulated trend display. Go home. Meters and bar graphs. Here are some simulated meters and bar graphs. Go to alarm, and here are some alarm features. So let's go back home. So now I want to show you some of the HMI settings, and I'm going to use my mouse in VNC viewer. So I'm going to click on the circular object in the top left corner, open up the system settings, and in your system settings you have system properties, which shows your model and HMI name, also the date. You can adjust the brightness, you can turn your sound on and off, language as well. Also up here, you can turn this from light mode to dark mode. Project, you can use this to restart your EasyBuilder project. And a lot of these settings in here, you'll need to enter an admin password, which is 6 ones. So for example, if you want to change your IP address, you click on network. And then here I have Ethernet LAN 2 configured to automatic, which is DHCP. You can also have it set to static IP if you like. So to change this, you click on this, and then you'll open up your number pad here. Enter 6 ones, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Drop down the keypad, press OK. And now you can edit your IP address. You also have security settings here, Easy Access 2.0 and Code Assist. Now for Easy Access and Code Assist, you'll need to have separate licenses for those. VNC, which is what I'm using now, you can enable VNC, FTP, and printer. So these are some of the settings on your HMI. Now I want to download a project from EasyBuilder onto the HMI. So let's go into EasyBuilder. Okay, I am in EasyBuilder now, and the first thing I want to show you is that there are over 400 communication protocol drivers that you could connect to in EasyBuilder. So to do that, go to your Home tab, System Parameters. new device. And then here you can click and you can see all the communication protocol drivers here in this list. And first thing you want to make sure before you download your project to the HMI, make sure that the Ethernet cable is inserted into LAN 1 or LAN 2, depending which one you're using. Right now I have it in LAN 2. And so what we're going to do, we're going to go up to project and then download to the HMI. And you want to make sure that the IP address is correct and check off runtime, click download. And it'll take a second for the project to download to the HMI. It's going to say stop project, download CXOB, updating project now. It's going to reboot the HMI. And that's going to say finished, and it will load the project onto the HMI. Well, that wraps up everything today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on the HMI cMT line, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to watch the EBPro HMI software training located in our video center on the Maple Systems website under the Support tab. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.